Canon EOS R6 5 new features 1 full-frame CMOS sensor. The Canon EOS R6 features a 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers excellent image quality and low light performance. The sensor is capable of producing high-resolution images and videos with stunning detail and clarity. 2 dual-pixel CMOS AF2. The EOS R6 features Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, which provides fast, accurate, and reliable autofocus. With up to 6072 selectable AF points and support for face and eye detection, this system ensures sharp focus on your subject, whether you're shooting photos or videos. 3 In-body image stabilization. The EOS R6 features in-body image stabilization that works in tandem with lens-based stabilization for even greater stability. With up to 8 stops of image stabilization, you can shoot handheld in low-light conditions and capture sharp, blur-free images and videos. 4K video recording. The EOS R6 can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, delivering high-quality video footage with excellent detail and dynamic range. The camera also supports Canon Log and HDR-PQ for greater creative control and post-processing. 5 dual memory card slots. The EOS R6 features dual memory card slots, one for SD UHS-II cards and one for CF Express cards, allowing you to capture more photos and videos without having to switch cards. You can also choose to record photos and videos to different cards for backup and organization purposes.